Yo, 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 welcome back YouTube. We're about to rip into this Ford Mondeo. But before that, I wanted to show you the pretty cool car rental that we got from Enterprise. It's a 2018 Hyundai Ioniq. It's a little dirty right now, but we're about to turn it in anyway. But the inside's really nice. Got the car seat in the back, of course, for the little one. But let me go around to the other side. I'll show you the dash. It's pretty cool. Just get in here and turn it on. It's a hybrid, so it gets like really good gas mileage, about 30 to 40 miles per gallon. But yeah, quiet as a mouse, and really good to drive. But it was interesting. And then here, I'll go ahead and pop the hood and show you what's underneath it, which is pretty cool. I've always wondered how the setup is and how to work on a hybrid, but here it is. Maybe one day I'll work on one. So now the fun begins. We're gonna put the car up on jacks. We're gonna open up the hood, remove the plastic engine cover on top of the valve cover, just to remove it and get it out of the way. Then we're going to remove the plastic grille here in both headlights, so we have all the room we need, and then we can see how to get to the condenser, the compressor, and the dryer, which is in this right front wheel well over here. So we'll have to remove the wheel and the wheel well liner, and then also figure out where the orifice tube is, which is in one of the AC lines. So let's get at it and start ripping these parts out. So I finally was able to get this wheel well liner out. It was a pretty big pain in the butt to get out, because every time I thought I had it out, I found another screw or bolt. But anyways, this gives me access to the dryer, or accumulator some people would call it. But in here is also the low and pressure lines. So by taking out that wheel well liner, this helps me get access to all this. So let's go ahead and dive underneath the vehicle. So I need access to the condenser. So by removing the skid plate and these 5 mount bolts, I'll have access to it. You have 2 right there on the left side, 1 in the middle, and 2 on the other side. So once I remove those, I can remove the skid plate and have access to the condenser. So in a second, you're gonna see me remove all 5 mount bolts. But when I go ahead and remove the skid plate from the bumper, something is still securing it to the far side away from the camera, and it ended up being 2 more mount bolts. The side closest to me, that's closest to the camera, those 2 mount bolts were already removed because I removed them when I removed the wheel well liner. So next, you're going to see me remove the far side 2 mount bolts and take the skid plate out. Next, we will be removing the front right quarter panel and the bumper and the electrical connectors behind it, which would be the fog light and the blinker connector. And we'll start by removing the top 3 mount bolts. You got 1 here, 2, 3, and then at the very bottom we have a bolt right there we'll remove, and then on the inside we have 2 more. One will be way up here, and then the other one is right here to give access to everything behind this, which would consist of mainly the AC dryer. So I missed 1 mount bolt on this front right quarter panel, which is right here. So I'm going to go ahead and remove that off this bracket. There she is. The car is now all ripped apart. We are done with part 2 and ready for part 3, which will come out next week. And that will be focused on removing bad AC parts and possibly installing new AC parts. But anyways, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.